Hey guys, I wanted to make a video here checking out the latest version of the Paranoid Android ROM on my Nexus 4. As always, all the links are included in the description. I'm just going to go ahead and dive into the settings here so we can check out the version number. And you can see it is version 3.96. That is the very latest build as of this video. And I just want to talk about the build number here. You can see the build is JSS, and that's kind of confusing because this actual version that I'm running right now is actually a hybrid of JSS and JWR. Those are the two builds you can get. The reason the team did this was because JSS is having some really bad deadlock issues where the device will freeze up for 5 or 6 seconds and then become responsive again. It's a really strange issue, but they've basically made a hybrid and got rid of those deadlocks completely. They've taken all the good stuff from JSS and put it in a JWR build, and it's just worked. I've been using it for 3 or 4 days and I haven't had one deadlock since, so it's definitely working. In terms of custom kernels, that means you do have to have a kernel that is compatible with the JWR build. JSS kernels won't work. It will just give you some graphical errors and it will just cause you loads of problems, so make sure you have the correct kernel. They've also made some nice additions to Halo, and one of the first ones I want to mention is Halo will now ping on screen unlock. This only works for protected lock screens or expanded desktop mode like I am right now. Protected lock screens means stuff like pin or pattern unlock, so make sure you have one of those if you want it. And yeah, let's go ahead and test this out. So you can see my Halo right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and get a notification. So we'll force a screenshot here. Halo will ping out. There it is. We'll wait for it to settle back down. Also notice the little green number 1 shows you how many notifications you have to check. If we go ahead and lock the display now, unlock it, you'll see Halo comes out and pings and tells you what notification you have and how many you have as well. So it's a pretty awesome feature, and it's one that I've wanted for a while. They've also made some really cool improvements to the blacklisting. You can see if I actually open up my notifications right now, I actually have 2 persistent notifications. I've got the screenshot, which I can get rid of. I've got Lux here and a battery monitor widget as well, and you can see them in my notifications. They're persistent, and you can see because I blacklisted both of those in the same normal way that we could before, so you can just kind of go to the app info and just go ahead and blacklist. They're no longer showing in Halo, so you can see my Halo is completely empty. So I know a lot of people wanted that feature. Your persistent notifications will no longer be in Halo if you don't want them to be. They've also added some new icons when you use the tasker, so let's go ahead and check those out. You can see the green number 2 there that I mentioned earlier. That shows you how many unique notifications you have. These are your real notifications, for example, a missed call or a WhatsApp. They've also added some new icons for persistent notifications. You can see AirDroid is persistent. It's got a little padlock. And also pinned applications as well using the Halo app. You can see WhatsApp is pinned and the little red icon turns into a pin. So just gives you a little bit more information on your specific notifications. So it's pretty awesome. In terms of stability and freezes, I haven't had any problems with this build. It's been rock solid for me. They've also fixed the LED custom colors. So if you go into your settings, go to display and pulse notification light, these are now fixed. These do work. They didn't work in the previous build. So pretty much everything is working in this build. It's very fast, very fluid. Yeah, definitely give it a shot. Peace out.